Good morning, friends. Myself Niranjan Naik. Welcome to our channel Quest. Today is 27th February. Friends, as you know, we are bringing for you our regular GK series Today in History. So, in this context, today we shall look at some of the memorable events happened on 27th February in history in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Friends, if you are watching the channel first time, then click the red subscribe button and press the bell icon nearby so that you can get all the notifications of our videos. Let's start today's session of questionnaires. Question number 1. Which revolutionary died on this day in 1931 at Alfred Park, Allahabad by shooting himself after being surrounded by British police and left with no other option to escape? Who had reorganized Hindustan Republican Association, naming it to Hindustan Socialistic Republican Army after the death of its founder Ram Prasad Bismil? Answer: Veer Savarkar. Now I am telling one famous line quoted always by him. दुश्मनों की गोलियों का सामना हम करेंगे, आज़ाद है, आज़ाद ही रहेंगे. Question number 2. Which Indian independence activist died on this day in 1956 was the first Speaker of Lok Sabha? Answer: G.B. Mavlankar, Ganesh Vasudev Mavlankar. Question number 3. Which Indian social reformer and politician died on this day in 2010, was a leader of Bharatiya Janasangha and also a member of Rajya Sabha, had established Chitrakuta Gramodoya Vishwavidyalaya, India's first rural university, and had published journal Manthan, who was posthumously awarded Bharat Ratna? Answer: Nanaji Deshmukh. Question number 4. Which year on this day in early morning 59 pilgrims and car sevaks were killed in a fire inside the Sabarmati Express near Godhra railway station, Gujarat? Answer: 2002. Question number 5. Which Indian revolutionary born as Bhup Singh Gurjar, who had initiated Satyagraha much before Mahatma Gandhi during Bijolia's Kisan movement? Answer: Vijay Singh Pathik. He had changed his name as Vijay Singh Pathik after being implicated in Lahore conspiracy. Question number 6. Which Indian poet saint of Bhakti movement born in Varanasi in Chamar caste on this day, whose devotional verses are also included in Sikh scripture Guru Granth Sahib? Answer: Guru Ravidas. Question number 7. Which Marathi poet and author born as Vishnu Barman Shirodkar on this day in 1912, whose work Visakha is a masterpiece of Indian literature and received Sahitya Academy Award for his play Nat Samrat? Answer: Kusum Graj. Question number 8. Which year on this day was International Working Union of Socialist Parties founded in Vienna, Austria? Answer: 1921. Question number 9. Which American chemist with Sam Rubin discovered carbon-14 natural occurring radioisotope at the California Radiation Laboratory, Berkeley, on this day in 1940, which is the basis of radiocarbon dating used to determine age of fossils? Answer: Martin David Kamen. Here the left photo is of Martin Kamen and right photo is of Sam Rubin. Question number 10. Which English American actress born on this day in 1932, who made her acting debut in a minor role in Universal Pictures film There Is One Born Every Minute? Answer: Elizabeth Taylor. Question number 11. Which was the first women's magazine published by John Dunton in London on this day in 1693? Answer. Ladies Mercury. Question number 12. Sale of which US weekly magazine specialized in celebrity, human interest stories and gossip started on this day in 1974? Answer. People's.